Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking okra soup. Yes, okra soup. You know what I did? I got a mixed pepper soup meat. Yes, and I added liver, dry catfish, and cow skin to it. Yes, that's what I did. You can use any form of protein you want, any form of either fish or anything you want, but I'm using a mixture of pepper soup meat, liver, dry fish, and cow skin. Yes, and as you can see, I'm boiling all the protein together. Yes, I'm boiling them all together. I start a bit of onions, put salt and Maggi, and I'm going to leave it for some minutes to boil. Now this is the main okra. I like to cut my okra this way, half. I've cut out of this way, and I'm going to blend the rest. Yes. Now, protein is getting ready. Wow. So I'm going to transfer it to a big pot, which I'm doing now. I'm going to add the liver, the dry fish, the cow skin all together. Then this is my bell pepper. Yes, I blended it. This is my bell pepper. Some people use dry pepper, but I prefer using bell pepper. And this is crayfish that I'm adding now. This is dry crayfish, and this is my locust beans. Yes, locust beans. Wow, it's giving. Yes, I know it's giving. So let's just add our dry catfish and cow skin. That's for more. And dry catfish, yes. And after this, we're going to add a bit of water. I'm going to put Maggi before adding a bit of water, then we cover it to boil together so that the aroma can come together. Please, my dear friend, please kindly comment on my page, kindly subscribe, kindly like. Please, your subscription, your comments, your like keeps me going, give me the strength to keep on doing more and more and more. So I'm stirring this all together. And after this, I'm going to cover it and leave it for some minutes. You can use okra soup to eat eba. How I love eba. You can use it to eat pando, amala. Some people even use it to eat rice. Yes. I'm from Lagos, a Lagosian. We use okra to eat our rice. You serve as a stew. Yes. You serve as a stew. Some people will tell you that they can't do that, but where I come from, Lagos, somewhere cool, we use okra to eat rice. Yes, write it down today, and I will advise you can try it and see how nice it is. Yes, how nice it is. Yes. So let's see. Meat are putting. Yes, it's getting ready. So we have a palm oil. Yes, I'm going to have a palm oil, depending on the level of palm oil that you like. Yes, not so much. Yeah, do not be too much. I love it to be a bit lighter, not too much on my okra. Yes, I don't want to be I don't want to be seeing my okra separate and palm oil separate. And this is what do you call this? And this is Cameroon pepper. Yes, Cameroon pepper. And I'm adding potash. Yeah, some people don't use potash, but I just love using it for my okra to make it more softer. Yes, now we cover it and leave it for some minutes before we add our main ingredient, which is the okra. Okra, the king of the soup. Yes, okra. We are adding an okra. After adding an okra, we are going to stir it, which I'm doing now. Then we have a bit of salt. And we leave for some minutes. Our soup is ready. I can't wait. Please kindly remember to subscribe, kindly remember to comment, kindly remember to share, kindly remember to like. I love you guys. Please watch this video to the end and see soup, how it came out. Yes, I love you. Bye.